Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Thanks for stopping by for one. Today we've got a good article. It's a wrinkle in auto insurance that I'm gonna be honest, I completely forgot about. But it's really important. The title of the article is Stacked versus Unstacked Auto Insurance. What you should know, right? It's a great term, and I know what you probably are thinking. When you hear the term stacked, you think, hey, that's great. Is it possible to increase our auto insurance limits if you have multiple cars or multiple policies or multiple people living under the same household? That may come in the future of insurance, but right now, stacked versus unstacked truly just refers to uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, right? And that's not a small feat, right? Like, if you're generally, and there are several studies done on this, but it hovers around 12 and 14% of drivers are literally uninsured. So it's really important, right? Because there's a high chance, high probability, or significant, I'd say, if you're in an accident, that someone may be uninsured. Because 1 out of 10 drivers out there, more than 1 out of 10, are uninsured. Now just think about what type of multiple you add to that for underinsured, right? And it's something that plagues our society in general because people gravitate to minimum liability and minimal property damage coverage limits, right? Without even thinking about it, without even taking into account, well, what type of car do I have? What's my current health? What's the cost of kind of healthcare coverage? Should I get into an accident? Things of that nature, right? So 12, 13, 14% of the driving public are uninsured. You can bet your bottom dollar that a multiple of that are underinsured, right? So this stacked versus unstacked term and wrinkle within auto insurance refers to that, right? And more specifically, it refers to uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage for bodily injury. It does not refer to property damage. It cannot be stacked, right? And the caveat is you can start to stack limits when there are multiple cars under the same policy or multiple policies under the same name, right? So, for example, if you have, let's say, you have a couple cars under the same policy, under the same name within your household, right? Your car has a $25,000 uninsured motorist coverage limit. Your daughter's car, which is under the policy it's covered, it's under your name, has another $25,000 uninsured motorist coverage. You get into an accident, the cost for bodily injury ends up being $35,000-$40,000. Instead of you coming out of pocket $10,000 to $15,000, you're able to stack the limits of the $25,000 of uninsured motorist coverage on your car and the $25,000 uninsured motorist coverage on your daughter's car, because the policies are both under your name. And then obviously you get $50,000 worth of coverage, and you don't have to come out of that $10,000 or $15,000 out of pocket, right? So the benefits are simple, straightforward. The cost side of that is you pay a bit of additional premium, right? So I don't want to make light of this because there are the coverage uninsured motorists and underinsured is so important. And some states require it, some don't. But it's definitely a coverage that you should have, and if you have it, then you should think about if it makes sense to stack coverage. Everybody's personal situation will be different. The coverage you have for uninsured motorists or underinsured might be enough. If you already have limits of 30, 40, 50,000 and your circumstances don't warrant or don't make you feel that there would be a hospital bill that may enter that realm of your limit, then you may be fine. If you feel that limit is too low, then stacking may be the option for you. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.